In this video, I'll detail how to change video format on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you're recording a video while using your camera and you want to switch from maybe the format here, maybe from HD to 4K or increase from 720p to 1080p, this video is going to walk you through. So if you don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All you need to do to change your video recording format on your iPhone on iOS 18 is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down. Select camera. Once you selected that, come down to video settings. Then make sure you click on record video. Once you select the record videos, you have access to all the video formats you can switch to here without necessarily switching your camera video format at the top here. However, if you are using the camera page to switch or change your video format, this is only going to change from 4K to HD without stipulating the exact format you want to record the video. So it could be maybe you want to record your video in 1080p 60 fps or 1080p 30 fps. So using that format, we not stipulate this. Now to show the exact format you want to record your video on your iPhone, you just need to come to record video and select the format. So here I'm going to set this to 1080p 30 fps. Then if you go to my iPhone camera, then you can see I have HD and then that is 30 fps. Then again, if I'm here and I choose to go with 1080p 60 fps, then that is going to change to HD to 60 fps to certainly manipulate or change your record video format on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.